Welcome back to Vacationing in Ocean City, Maryland. It's that time again. Time to start planning your next trip to the beach. So today we're going to take a deep dive into everyone's favorite realm, luxury properties. Now, whether you're like me and you're excited to see what these properties look like, or you're looking to book for your next family vacation here at the beach, keep on watching. Subscribe to our channel below to stay up to date on all things OCMD. We have some really great beach rentals that we're going to show you today, so let's get going. Now, when most people think about Ocean City, they don't realize that there are so many options for a truly outstanding vacation. Today, we're going to take you through our top 3 luxury markets here at the beach, so let's get going. Now, first we have our high-rise luxury. North of the boardwalk in Midtown Ocean City, you're going to notice the skyline change as the oceanfront is suddenly dominated by a row of high-rise buildings. This is known to locals as high-rise row. You'll find buildings that range in age, offerings, and conveniences. It's within some of these buildings that you can find some really amazing vacation homes. Whether it's a newer building like the Ocean City's famous Gateway Grand, which we're standing in right now, or a slightly more mature building like the Sea-Watch, which is located on the oceanfront of 115th Street. These and many of the other buildings in high-rise row offer guests access to features and amenities that many others don't. So with many options to choose from, you simply have to pick which one's right for you. For example, the Sea-Watch features an expansive courtyard, indoor and outdoor pools, tennis courts, a movie theater, game rooms, and a very impressive penthouse residence that happens to be in our rental program. These amenity-filled buildings have views that go on and on for miles. It's easy to imagine relaxing and enjoying your next vacation from the comfort of one of these luxurious beach homes. Next is boutique luxury. If you're looking for a lavish beach vacation in Ocean City, Maryland, but you want to keep it a bit more low-key, Central Reservations has plenty of options for you. Ocean City offers a wide array of more boutique buildings, equally impressive in their ability to deliver a well-rounded and luxurious experience. So if you're looking to enjoy the same type of creature comforts that you would find in the Gateway Grand or one of our Sea-Watch's penthouses, while staying in a more boutique type of setting, you may want to consider something like the Carly E. Located on the oceanfront of 63rd Street in the heart of Midtown Ocean City, the Carly E, like many other boutique residences we offer, gives guests an elevated experience in quality, location, and construction. The Carly E offers guests private parking, direct beach access, an indoor pool, and an expansive wraparound balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee while overlooking the ocean views. Step into a vacation home like this and you'll instantly feel all of your cares and stresses melt away. So picture this, you've had a long beach day, or you were at the golf course, or maybe you went deep sea fishing and you got a big sailfish on your fishing charter. The sun has wiped you out and you need to recharge with an amazing meal. Right down the street from the Carly E, you can enjoy an elegant dinner at Baker's Island Fine Dining, serving some of the tastiest steaks and seafood here in Ocean City, we promise. We're proud to say that Ocean City is dotted with boutique buildings just like the Carly E. Small escapes that pack a really big punch, offering an immersive, luxurious experience. To book your next stay in a building like this, reach out to one of our experts. I'm confident we can help you find the perfect place for you. Now third, we have Bayside Living. So when we say Ocean City, we know it's completely natural for you to think of oceanfront vacation rentals right off the bat. But we are here to show you that it's time to expand your horizons. Over to Ocean City's other horizon, the Bayside. Bayfront homes and condos in OC have been overlooked for far too long. So with many property owners who are opting to enhance, elevate, and upgrade their Bayfront homes over the last few years, we are finding a wide range of opportunities and impressive luxury stays right here on the bay. If you're like me, you love the idea of watching an oceanfront sunrise, but I'm not necessarily inclined to wake up early enough to actually see one when I'm on vacation. But our Bayside sunsets in OC are equally impressive, if not more impressive, and just about all of us are still awake to see these right after happy hour. Our sunsets on the bay are the main reason we're making the Bayfront a featured stop on today's video. Bayfront properties like the Rusty Anchor townhomes, they give you the chance to experience some of the best sunsets you've ever laid your eyes on, I promise. And these townhomes are very close to one of our favorite places, Liquid Assets, which has a great selection of cocktails and meals. Check out more of Central Reservation's luxury Bayside options such as Heron Harbor and the single-family homes on Teal Drive. Heron Harbor sits quietly on a Bayside canal, and it keeps you close to some of OC's awesome activities while being tucked quietly back in an upscale community. While Teal Drive is the perfect quiet getaway on the southern end of town, it offers guests easy access to one of Ocean City's best new restaurants, Spain Wine Bar. It's a great spot for a wine night with friends and an even better spot for a date night. So no matter which of these Bayside luxury options you choose, you're not going to be disappointed, and we do think these are great places to stay for a beach vacation that you're never going to forget. Here at Central Reservations, our team is committed to ensuring your vacation in Ocean City checks all of the boxes that lead to a memorable one. No matter what you're looking for, I know we have some great options that will help turn the same old beach vacation into a luxurious one. And now that you've had a small taste of some of our impressive properties, I encourage you to head on over to our website below, give these properties a look. Now don't forget, no matter which vacation option you choose, our team offers all of our guest vacation rewards, discounts, coupons, and vouchers to some of the best businesses here in OC. If you do have any questions, feel free to contact our team of local experts at Central Reservations. Stay up to date on all there is to know about staying in Ocean City and click that subscribe button below. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon in Ocean City.